Which way is to win the day? On this episode, we're doing dill pickle chicken salad, brought to you by M&M Food Market. Real food for real life. Season chicken breast, buddy with the protein. Get a pan, add some olive oil, cut up your chicken, add it to your pan, salt and pepper, chicken seasoning, fry it up, looking good. In your least stained bowl, chopped celery, handful of spinach, 2 chopped dill pickles, green onion. I got most of the chicken eat before it goes in the salad. Got to try some ultimate sauce. Apparently I got the first bottle. Winner chicken dinner. Add your chicken and a bottle of buttermilk dill. Great. Juice of 1 lime. Give her a mix. Can't even look at you. You're too beautiful. Enjoy as a salad, or enjoy as a sandwich or on some garlic bread. What a feed. Get it in ya.